If you're doing any work from home, even things like checking emails and taking phone calls, did you know that you can actually claim some of the costs of running your home as a deduction on your tax return? I'm Sam Keats from Keats Accounting, and this week I'm talking to you about home office expenses. If you're working from home, and that may be as a business owner or even in your capacity as an employee, you're going to be using gas, electricity, telephone, internet, whatever it is. You can claim a tax deduction for the work-related use of those items. So the way it works is you would keep a diary for 4 weeks a year of all the time you spend working from home. That's going to give us an hours per week, and the tax office gives us a standard rate that we're allowed to claim. So we would calculate that for you and claim a deduction in your tax return based on that 4-week logbook. You can also claim a deduction for your internet. So for a 4-week period, you would track the internet time use for every person in the household and whether it's work-related or personal, and the work-related percentage can then be claimed. Same with your mobile phone. It's a matter of keeping a logbook for 4 weeks of all the time you spend using your phone, not just for phone calls. Remember, you can be using your mobile phone as a map, you could be using it for emails, lots of different things people would be using their phone for. So don't just go off the call log, look at the total time you're spending using the phone, and the business related percentage over that 4-week window can be used as your claim for the year. So this is a really good way of claiming something and increasing your tax refund that you may not be aware of, and it's an expense you're paying anyway. If you're using it for work, you really may as well claim some back. Now, there are some other options. So if you're running a business from home, there may be more that we can claim from you in addition to this. So please give us a call if you think that might be the case, and we can talk you through the various options. Some of those options may have an implication on the capital gains tax exemptions for part of your home. So always really good to have a chat before we do that. But using the standard hourly rate, not a problem at all. There's no capital gains tax risk there. And as I said, it's available to employees, not just business owners. So start keeping those time diaries and get your record keeping in place so that we can maximise your claims in your next tax return. Thanks for watching. See you next week.